Hi, we are going to explain you the second chapter of Tiki and what we learn about it. I am Daniel Sepúlveda,
And I am Andres Diaz.
so he is going to start reading the first point. For this, we select 4 points, so he is going to start.
Thor was with a man who read his report. That man says to him that his report was a trash, that he only had to focus in only one thing, South America or Polynesia, but he doesn't have to mix them.
So that was the first point, and in a summarize, he was telling that the people that see his report say to Thor that it was a trash, and they don't like it. The second point that we select talk that a conversation of Thor with one man. This conversation was about Thor that 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 was talking with the man, and the man said to him the reasons of why the other people reject his theory or his report. Principally, it was because that people don't think possible that people of Polynesia came from Peru and from Latin America, and that was what Thor was saying. So Thor then said to him that he was going to prove his theory, and for that, in his conversation with this man, he told him all the dangers that Thor will have in the travel. For example, no food, no space, etc. And also that he has to make this travel in the conditions that Incas will make it. We forget to say that he is also part of our group. His name is Santiago Aguilar, and he is going to read the third point.
Okay, he made a group with Herman to prove his theory going to South America. So in this traveling from Peru to Polynesia was possible in the condition of Incas time.
So what he says is that that Thor was going to prove his theory, going to South America, making the travel in the conditions that Incas will do. He's going to read the 4 point.
To make his travel, he need two things. The first one was money, and the second one was permission to travel to Ecuador and Peru. Forget the balsa. He got the money from a military and the permission from the government.
And then he traveled to South America to start his travel.